Hey guys, it's Christine with Irene Iron Fitness. Today we're making buffalo shrimp tacos with a blue cheese coleslaw topping, and I love this recipe. It's fast, it's quick, gets me in and out of the kitchen in 15 minutes. If you want to see how it's done, keep watching. Let's get cooking. So let me run you through these ingredients really fast. I have a vegetable slaw that we're going to use for our topping on our tacos. It's pre-made, so it's quick and easy. I have corn tortillas that we're going to crisp up on our grill. Some celery, that will be a side snack. Frank's Red Hot Sauce. We are actually nearby Buffalo, New York, so this is in honor of Buffalo, New York. We have Bolthouse blue cheese dressing. If you haven't tried these Bolthouse Farm dressings, you should give them a try. They are much healthier alternative to traditional dressings like blue cheese or ranch. They make a Caesar, and they come in at 35 calories per 2 tablespoon serving, which is really, really good compared to your traditional dressing. So we're going to use this to make it a little bit lighter. And we have shrimp. So we're going to use raw shrimp. These are peeled, deveined, ready to go. All you do is thaw them out the night before, and they quick cook in like 3 minutes. So because we're using these shrimp and the prepackaged coleslaw and the dressings, it's going to be awesome. So let's start getting everything ready. So first I'm going to just prep the celery, rip the package open, trim the ends off, remove the dirt, set it aside. Next, I'm going to crisp up our tortilla shells. I always use the corn one versus the flours. They're just healthier and they're super fast on our burner. You could also do a lettuce wrap on these or just the shrimp with the slaw itself. So there's a few different ways you could eat it. Everybody loves tacos, so why not make it a taco? And that's also why I picked the smaller size shrimp, because I knew that I wanted to make this into a taco. So it's a little bit easier to wrap those small shrimp up versus the larger ones. While I'm doing my shells, I'm also going to open this up and just toss it with some of the blue cheese dressing. So that's obviously going to be at your preference, whether you like a little touch of dressing or if you like it heavier on the dressing. I always recommend at least stay under the recommended serving size on the package. Don't overload it, but dress it to your preference and then put this aside as well. So all of our side work is already done amazingly fast. All we have left to do is cook up our shrimp, which is going to be just as quick. So I had this in a strainer. I rinsed it, drained it down. Now just give it a little pat dry, a little salt and pepper, give it a little bit of this buffalo love, and then we're going to just fry it up in the pan. Literally takes 3 minutes, guys. Don't overcook your shrimp, they'll get gross. Cook up your shrimp, build your tacos, and that's it. Can't wait, let's get cooking the shrimp. The shrimp is done. Let's build our taco. Grab a shell. I want to put the slaw at the bottom. That way you can see the shrimp with your eyes and get a little better presentation with it. So these shrimp are nice and small, so I'm gonna put like 4 of them in there. And then celery sticks on the side. And what I like to do on mine is a little bit extra of the sauce. And depending on how much of the dressing you used in your salad, you may or may not want to do another drizzle of dressing on top or on the side for your celery sticks. But mine's going to be good just like this. So I'm going to have a couple of these tacos, and it's really such a great meal to have in 15 minutes, in and out. It's hot here. I don't want to be cooking, so let's just get to eating. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, get the full recipe at ireneironfitness.com on my blog, and then catch us next Wednesday for a new recipe. Bye.